Learn English to Gujarati. Reject, agree, suggestion.
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
Welcome to the Chaos Club. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati with a very organized lesson about extremely disorganized people. That is perfect, because memorable chaos is great for memory. Our story begins with 8 friends, 1 group chat, and 1 tragic snack table. On the table sits a cookie that is already
કટાયેલું.
Nobody admits anything. Everybody stares at the cookie like it is a crime scene. Then Meena says, before we solve the cookie mystery, can we plan Saturday? And just like that, your Gujarati lesson begins. The great planning disaster. Listen closely and imagine you are in the group chat with them. You will hear the key words in action. Ravi wants to
સૂચવવું.
a picnic. He says, I want to
સૂચવવું.
the park. Lena does not like the park because last time a goat stole her sandwich, so she wants to
નકારવું.
the idea. She says, I
નકારવું.
the park plan. But Sam says, actually, I
સહમત થવું.
with Ravi. Nice. We now have conflict, grammar, and emotional growth. To stop the argument, Meena says, let us
ગોઠવવું.
the details first. In other words, let us arrange everything. Then dark clouds appear. Of course they do. Suddenly the group decides to
મુલતવી રાખવું.
the picnic. They postpone it. 5 minutes later, the weather app shows lightning, wind, and what looks emotionally like doom. Now they choose to
રદ કરવું.
the picnic completely. They cancel it. Finally, Meena sends one last message, please.
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
If you can come to dinner instead. She wants everyone to confirm. Meanwhile, the cookie is still
કટાયેલું.
and somehow this feels important. Word spotlight. Now let us slow everything down. You will hear each English word with its Gujarati partner. Bitten.
કટાયેલું.
Example. The cookie is
કટાયેલું.
quote. Reject.
નકારવું.
Example. I
નકારવું.
the offer. Agree.
સહમત થવું.
Example. I
સહમત થવું.
with your idea. Suggest.
સૂચવવું.
Example. Can I
સૂચવવું.
another restaurant? To arrange.
ગોઠવવું.
Example. We need to
ગોઠવવું.
the meeting. Postpone.
મુલતવી રાખવું.
Example. We will
મુલતવી રાખવું.
the trip. To cancel.
રદ કરવું.
Example. Please
રદ કરવું.
the booking. Confirm.
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
Example. Please
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
the time. Tiny dialogue, big drama. Here comes a short dialogue. It is basically a soap opera, but with scheduling vocabulary. A. I want to
સૂચવવું.
dinner at my house. B. I do not
નકારવું.
that idea. In fact, I
સહમત થવું.
A. Great, let us
ગોઠવવું.
the time. B. Wait, my cousin may visit. We may need to
મુલતવી રાખવું.
dinner. A. If your cousin brings 12 screaming children, we will
રદ કરવું.
it. B. Fair, I will
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
by 6 o'clock. A. Also, who ate my cookie? It was whole this morning and now it is
કટાયેલું.
B. I can
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
only one thing, it was not me. Probably. Memory tricks you will actually remember. Let us make the words stick. The sillier the picture, the better. 4.
કટાયેલું.
Picture a giant cookie with one dramatic bite missing, shouting, "I used to be beautiful." 4.
નકારવું.
Imagine a big red stamp landing on a bad idea, rejected. 4.
સહમત થવું.
Imagine two people nodding so hard they almost become dashboard toys. 4.
સૂચવવું.
Picture yourself raising one finger and saying, "I have an idea, and this one does not involve chaos." 4.
ગોઠવવું.
Imagine pens, papers, and snacks lining up like a parade. 4.
મુલતવી રાખવું.
See a calendar page sliding into the future. 4.
રદ કરવું.
Imagine a giant X crossing out the whole event. 4.
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
Picture a giant green check mark and a confident thumbs up. Quick fire quiz. Your turn. Answer in your head or out loud if nobody is watching. And if somebody is watching, impress them. How do you say reject in Gujarati?
નકારવું.
How do you say agree?
સહમત થવું.
How do you say suggest?
સૂચવવું.
How do you say to arrange?
ગોઠવવું.
How do you say postpone?
મુલતવી રાખવું.
How do you say to cancel?
રદ કરવું.
How do you say confirm?
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
And the mysterious word for bidden.
કટાયેલું.
Your challenge today. Now use the words like they belong to you. You do not need perfection, just courage and repetition. Say one sentence with,
સૂચવવું.
I want to suggest a plan. Say one sentence with,
સહમત થવું.
I agree with you. Say one sentence with,
નકારવું.
I reject that offer. Say one sentence with,
ગોઠવવું.
we need to arrange the meeting. Say one sentence with,
મુલતવી રાખવું.
we should postpone the trip. Say one sentence with,
રદ કરવું.
please cancel the reservation. Say one sentence with,
પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
please confirm the time. And for fun, say, the cookie is.
કટાયેલું.
Quote. Congratulations, you are now prepared for meetings and snack emergencies. Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You just learned useful Gujarati words through one slightly ridiculous planning disaster. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
નકારવું. સહમત થવું. સૂચવવું. ગોઠવવું. મુલતવી રાખવું. રદ કરવું. પુષ્ટિ કરવી.
And.
કટાયેલું.
Out loud. Repeat them tomorrow, use them in your own sentences, and keep going. You are doing great.